1. Which type of shock is characterized by low systemic vascular resistance and high cardiac output? A. Hypovolemic shock. B. Cardiogenic shock. C. Septic shock. D. Neurogenic shock. The most accurate method for assessing fluid balance in a critically ill patient is A. Daily weight measurement. B. Intake output charting. C. Central venous pressure (CVP) monitoring. D. Skin turgor assessment. Which EKG change is a hallmark of hyperkalemia? A. ST segment elevation. B. Peak T waves. C. Prolonged PR interval. D. U waves. A patient with myasthenia gravis is at highest risk for A. Hyperreflexia. B. Myasthenic crisis, respiratory failure. C. Hypertension. D. Hypoglycemia. Which arterial blood gas, ABG, result indicates compensated metabolic acidosis? A. pH 7.30, PC02, 50, HCO3 24. B. pH 7.35, PCO2 30, HCO3 18. C. pH 7.50, PCO2 30, HCO3 24. D. pH 7.40, PCO2 40, HCO3 22. The most critical complication of transfusion of incompatible blood is A. Hypothermia. B. Acute hemolytic reaction. C. Hypocalcemia. D. Hypertension. Cushing's triad, bradycardia, hypertension, irregular respirations, indicates A. Hypoglycemia. B. Increased intracranial pressure, ICP. C. Pulmonary embolism. D. Sepsis. A postoperative patient suddenly develops tachypnea, hypoxia, and pleuritic chest pain. The most likely diagnosis is A. Pneumonia. B. Pulmonary embolism. C. Atelectasis. D. Myocardial infarction. The priority intervention for a patient with tension pneumothorax is A. Administer morphine. B. Prepare for chest tube insertion. C. Apply 100% oxygen. D. Perform needle decompression. Which lab value is most critical in monitoring DIC, disseminated intravascular coagulation? A. Hemoglobin. B. Platelet count. C. D-dimer. D. Serum creatinine. The most sensitive indicator of acute kidney injury, AKI, is A. Elevated blood urea nitrogen. B. Decreased urine output. C. Rising serum creatinine. D. Hyperkalemia. A postpartum patient with sudden dyspnea, tachycardia, and hypertension may have A. Eclampsia. B. Amniotic fluid embolism. C. Uterine atony. D. Mastitis. The most common cause of ventilator-associated pneumonia, VAP, is A. Pseudomonas aeruginosa. B. Staphylococcus aureus. C. Aspiration of oropharyngeal secretions. D. Escherichia coli. Homan's sign, calf pain on dorsiflexion, is associated with A. Deep vein thrombosis, DVT. B. Fracture. C. Muscle strain. D. Gout. A diabetic patient with Kussmaul respirations is most likely in A. Hypoglycemia. B. Diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA. C. Hyperosmolar hypoglycemic state. D. Insulin shock. Greater sign, flank bruising, is seen in A. Pancreatitis. B. Appendicitis. C. Cholecystitis. D. Diverticulitis. Priority intervention for acute pulmonary edema is A. Furosemide IV. B. Metoprolol PO. C. Nitroglycerin patch. D. Morphine sulfate. McBurney's point tenderness is classic for A. Cholecystitis. B. Appendicitis. C. Diverticulitis. D. Gastritis. Priority assessment for a new tracheostomy patient is A. Stomach-side bleeding. B. Airway patency. C. Vocal cord function. D. Swallowing ability. Most accurate method to confirm endotracheal tube placement is A. Chest X-ray. B. Capnography, EtCO2. C. Auscultation of breath sounds. D. Observation of chest rise.